I just told everything I wanted and it wasn't recording. I want to be fixed and I want to be complete. I'm not recording me walking because walking is boring and I don't want to watch somebody walk through a city. For that we have Google Maps. I want to be wanted, but through my accomplishments, not my body, because I don't like my body. That's all that I figured out. It's raining like crazy. Sometimes it's like that. I feel myself cleaning while I talk. I'm not sure if I'm not sure if I'm not sure. It was boring anyways. But it is also boring. I know I have depression and I need to trust the pills. If they don't work, we get other pills. I should stay away from my ex because when this guy wanted me to own him, he looked like my ex and I realized that he was like my wish. I was so obsessed with this guy that seeing somebody just like him is like meeting the real deal because he looks just like my ex, but he's not. It's been a few years and he is somebody else, but I didn't change, or I didn't want to change. I guess when I changed I got sad and I want to be happy me when I was 15, but probably I was also sad. So I'm focusing on cooking, focusing on drawing, and the classes I hate. I hate them. I don't want them. I have to do it. Like I have to keep breathing. So if I say in the past I wanted to harm him, my ex, um, not anymore. Sorry if I sounded very crazy. I'm calm now.